guys, welcome to my vlog. O magandang umaga sa inyo lahat. Ang unang i-recite natin ngayon is the 11 General Order. Dapat ma-memorize talaga natin yung 11 General Order, lalo na sa mga tropa natin. The 11 General Order for centuries in the US military are as follows. Ngayon guys, para maniwala kayo, nag-blindfold ako ng 11 General Order for centuries in the US military are as follows. Number 1, to take charge of dispose and all government property in view. Number 2, to walk my post in a military manner, keeping always on the alert and observing everything that takes place within sight or hearing. Number 3, to report all violations of order that I am instructed to enforce. Number 4, to repeat all calls from posts more distant from the guardhouse than my own. Number 5, to quit my post only when properly relieved. Number 6, to receive obedient pass unto the sentinel who relieves me all orders from the commanding officer, the non-commissioned officer of the guard only. Number 7, to talk to no one except in the line of duty. Number 8, to give the alarm in case of fire or disorder. Number 9, to call the commanding of the relief. To call the commanding of the relief in any case not covered by instruction. Number 10, to salute all officers and all colors and standard not case. Number 11, panghuli, to be especially watchful at night and during the time for challenging, to challenge all person on or near my post and to allow no one to pass without proper authority. Yun guys, salamat.